God is good, and all the time. PLP. PLP. Kwani muko na njaa? Leo ni siku ya PLP. Hata mavazi yangu unaona ni ya PLP. My dear sister Martha, my good friend. Tuko hapa kwa ajili ya wewe. You have been a source of courage and excitement to us. You have been a source of friendship to us. You have been there when this country needed heroes. You have been there when we needed champions. And Martha, we are here with you. Martha, we are here with you. Wa viongozi wote ambao mko hapa, yangu yatakuwa machache. We are here to celebrate the branding of a party called NAK Kenya to People's Liberation Party. Munanisikia sasa? Munanisikia vizuri? And Martha has recognized ya kwamba inaonekana Kasongo anainterfere hapa. Kasongo aende asiende? Aende asiende? Ruto must surely go. Na aende kabisa. Martha, you have recognized ya kwamba you have been a hero of the second liberation. Na wakati huo, I heard somebody say here history does not matter. It matters. Hata ile history ya yule poet sijui Wakabete. It matters where we have come from. The history of Hard Wamalwa talk about is very important history. Tumetoka mbali. And Martha has been part of that struggle. Has been in the forefront of that struggle. Na hata yeye amerecognize ya kwamba we are here at a different liberation. The first liberation was our independence. The second liberation has been about our democracy, political democracy. Na hii ya tatu ni ya economic. And this economic liberation, musidanganywa na mtu, it is going to be as hard as the political revolution that led our forefathers into Mau Mau. There shall be sacrifices of our lives, because this economic template ililetwa hapa na watu ambao wanaitwa wabeberu. It was brought here 100 years ago, and it has been cemented. We have changed from white to black leaders, but none of us are prospering. Just the few are prospering. Economically ni wachache tu. So we must understand what this liberation is about. Our unity si ya kusema tu ati tunatoa Ruto. At America, if I'm going to give my 2 cents, America, the Democrats were united around one thing. We are united to remove Trump, to make sure Trump does not come. We hate Trump. Walishindwa ama hawakushindwa? Walishindwa ama hakushindwa? We must unite on defining for Kenyans what happens when Ruto is not there. After Ruto, what is this country going to be? Itakuwa namna gani? Senator mashuhuri wanaonyonka. One thing I like about you, and I must say I like about Mheshimiwa Mbui, is that you have understood numbers. You have understood numbers and facts your numbers. Ruto today is known as Zakayo kwa ajili ya tax. Si ushuru ndio kazi yake? Atumalize. You must ask yourselves why? Why? Being a thief is only one aspect. The budget that Senator Onyonka is talking about, 4.2 trillion, ambao iko kwa bunge saa hii. 3.2 trillion ni recurrent expenditure. Si ya development, ni ya kukula. Na ukiangalia hiyo 3.2, 2.2 inaenda kulipa madeni. 2.2 inaenda kulipa madeni. 400 is needed for operations za serikali. 500, 600 ya salaries. Unakuja sasa kwa madeni. Because we will not get more than 2.8 trillion revenue. Kuingia kwa madeni, you're borrowing for counties. You're borrowing for the little development you can do, which you cannot do. So hata tukiwa hapa, tukisema tutatoa ushuru ni sawa. Tutalipa deni namna gani? Na deni ni 70% ya fedha zetu. 70%. Na itakuwa hivyo mpaka 2036. Mwaka huu 1.9 trillion deni. The next financial year 2.2 trillion deni. The next financial year 2.4 trillion deni. If we do not understand hiyo deni ilikuwa ya nini, and that we are going to solve that problem, hata sisi tukiingia kwa hiyo kiti ya urais, tukiingia in 3 months mtakuwa nasema tuondoke hata sisi tuwe kama Kasongo. So we must be united on solving the problem, the real problem of this country. Not just to say we are united. There were people who were united before they told us freedom was coming. Iko wapi? Iko wapi? Ilikuja. And today they are here with us because they were cheated. Because they were cheated. There were others who were told, like my dear sister, that there is a liberation coming from Raila Amolo Odinga. Leo Raila ako wapi? Na ni rafiki yangu, ako wapi? Ako wapi? The two deputies are united here, na wao wako united kule kwingine. Let us be careful about this unity. It must be about framing the questions of the people of Kenya. Na Gen Z mulifanya kazi last year. Mulifanya kazi. You changed the politics of this country. June 25th, mulimaliza Kasongo. But you also finished the politics ya kienyeji. Mulimaliza hiyo ya kienyeji ya zamani. You are now in the politics of Dodge. Dodge, kama Americans wanasema. Kuna mjaluo aliniambia hiyo inaitwa donge. Dodge ya Elon Musk is where you are. You are changing the fabric of our politics. Do not stop. You are today, you are tomorrow, you are the day after. Asanteni sana, God bless you all.